What is up guys, Tan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Deepseek R1 in n8n. So first you need to head over to n8n's website and then you need to create a new credential. After that, click on this add first step and then search for Deepseek. After searching for Deepseek, you will see the Deepseek chat model. Click on this and after that here you will see the create new credential option. Click on this and then you need an API key. Now to get the API key, you need to head over to the api-docs.deepseek.com and then click on apply for an API key. For that, in the new tab, the API keys window will open. From here, click on create new API key and then name your API key, and after that API key token will appear. Simply copy that token. I have already created some API keys, so I'll just simply remove it to show you some more API keys, like how to create and how to paste them. I'll click on create new API key and then I will go with let's say QWERTY and 123 and I'll click on create API key. For that, as you can see, this is my API key. I'll copy this and after copying this, I'll head back to my n8n, paste this API key and then click on save. After clicking on save, the credential has been successfully created and the connection has been tested successfully. And I'll just show you in the canvas. As you can see, the Deepseek R1 connection has been done. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.